EPA WA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for April 15th, 2019. This image here is looking at this morning, and we have a cold front off the coast now. And this is the same cold front that came through overnight and brought those a squall line of storms across the region in the wee hours of the morning, and accompanied by some gusty winds. And had some tornado watches up last night as well. But that is now in the rearview mirror. We're going to have clouds this morning, and then we're going to have peaks of sun this afternoon as this front continues to pull away. We're going to have very windy conditions developing, though. Winds will be sustained 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts 40 to 45 miles per hour at times, and I think that really gets going this afternoon and evening. We're still going to stay breezy into the overnight, not quite as windy, but still breezy in the overnight with these tight isobars you can see right here almost on top of each other. So that's going to lead to the wind threat as this system starts to pull away. And that grading is created by high pressure out here coming into the Ohio Valley right here. It'll provide some nice weather here for Tuesday and a very strengthening low associated with that cold front that moved through last night. So the difference between the two is creating a squeeze play, and that's why you're getting those intense winds today. So we're going to have that mainly, again, this afternoon. It kind of picks up a little more than it does this morning. A little breezy this morning, and then it really picks up this afternoon and evening until the system pulls further away. And then we're going to start to see them die down kind of later overnight. But then Tuesday, see the high pressure is now sitting just to our south. So we're going to have mostly sunny skies to at least start here on Tuesday. Now there's going to be a warm front boundary that's going to be making its way toward the region. This is going to be very pesky this entire week. It's going to be not much. See this right here? This is the warm front. And it's going to approach the region here on Tuesday. So you might see, a little bit more in the way of clouds in the afternoon. So maybe some high cirrus clouds coming into play. And then it's getting a little bit more hazy. And that's with the warm front that's going to be moving in to the region. So the period from Tuesday night, or Tuesday evening, Tuesday night, through about Thursday night, you're going to have this warm front just kind of stalled over the region here. So you're not going to see much in the way of sun. You're going to see some, mostly cloudy conditions, maybe peaks of sun from time to time. But you're going to see a mostly cloudy go at it for a couple of days here with this frontal boundary just kind of stalled and sitting there over the region. See that here? Here goes on Wednesday. It's still sitting right there. Could be a spotty shower with that just about at any time. And it's going to be very difficult to nail down when exactly that happens or if that happens. It could just remain in your area, just remain mostly cloudy on any given day. But it looks like that warm front is going to be sitting here and not really moving for much of the week. Here's a look at Thursday. Yep, still there. So still a spotty shower opportunity. This is all in association with this area low pressure way out here in the upper Midwest. So I mean, that's a pretty extensive stretch there of warm front, but this is going to finally push off to the north here on Thursday night. And you can see that here, later Thursday night. So there could be a few showers when that moves through here during the day on Thursday, but I really won't expect too much from that. It looks like for our main show is going to be coming in here Friday with this area low pressure making its way toward the region. And we're going to have southerly winds increasing ahead of this. So we're going to get warm at the end of the week, too. So temperatures are going to be kind of like near to slightly above average next couple of days. And once we get to toward the end of the week with Thursday and Friday, we start getting up close to the 70-degree mark or above 70 degrees. And we're going to be warm here ahead of this frontal boundary coming in. This could be another severe weather possibility here. I don't want to get too far ahead here because we don't really like to project severe weather this far ahead. But there is a potential here for some stronger storms that come in here, at least thunderstorms that we'll be dealing with, and maybe some heavy rainfall with that as it moves through. That frontal boundary is going to move through later Friday afternoon, Friday evening, and bring those scattered showers and thunderstorms through the region during the overnight. And that moves eastward. Now, Saturday is not going to really improve too much. This is looking at Saturday. It's going to have a surface low that's going to be hanging around the region. Let me go back to that image. Still a surface low that's kind of sitting up here and spinning. So there could be some showers rotating through here during the day here on Saturday. And it might not really go away here on Sunday. Still have an opportunity for a few showers lingering back here on Sunday, too, if some models are correct. The weekend forecast I know is important because it's a holiday weekend coming up here. Easter Sunday is coming. And a lot of people are wondering what's going to happen on Easter Sunday. Are we going to be dry? Well, there's the opportunity for showers. We listed on both days. The better chance of the 2 days would be Saturday, but it does look like there's some showers, at least in some models here on Sunday too. So I don't think it's a total washout at this point, but we're going to continue to monitor it closely, given the gravity of the weekend being a little bit more important than usual with the holiday weekend coming up. So we'll keep a close eye on that this week. But again, you're going to have some chances for, or more chances for clouds this week than sun, it looks like. And it doesn't look like a washout on any given day, except when we get later on Friday and Friday night. But there definitely will be some chances of precipitation just about at any time, as long as that warm front's around between Tuesday night and Thursday night. And also, of course, Friday with the cold front, and then over the weekend with this low kind of just lingering around here. So we'll keep an eye on that, and we'll keep you up to date throughout the rest of the week. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martins. That is your outlook for April 15th, 2019. Have a great Monday.